What's up, bud? Back at it. All right, what up, everyone? This is eBay Box Break 440. We got a nice little assortment of Prism retail mixed in with some optic contenders. We got 2 Prism Fanatic Blaster boxes, 2 Megas, 3 more regular blasters. They're actually the disco version, and we got 2 hangers. Let's get it, let's get it. Drizzy. Now we're all fully paid up. We did have some teams that were not paid up, but we got all that taken care of. But welcome to Royalty. Make sure to give us a follow on the page. But yeah, let's get the party started, y'all. And just a heads up, I will be running our Facebook break right after this, all right? So we're going back to back. Let me start off with a hanger, see if we get off to a good start right here. We're looking for a silver rookie variation. These are the Walmart edition, so you get the red cracked ice as well. And if you guys want some more action, we do got some football posted on the page. And after my second break, I will do a pre-fill for Prism Hobby Basketball, which comes out tomorrow, all right? So let's get it. We're heating up. We got a Marquise Brown, Blake Jarwin, Levante David, Cameron Hayward, Will Fuller, George Kittle, Byron Jones, Jimmy G, what up, Timothy? We got Javon Curse, Antonio Gates, Alan Lazard. Let's go, Pete. Chris Jones. We got a Josh Palmer rookie. We got a silver vet. Nelson Aguilar. We should have our green for the Bears. Daz Newsome with the troll. Ouch. We got a Tyler Higbee red cracked ice. L'Jarius Sneed. Julio Jones red cracked ice. Should be our rookie right here. Green Bay. Colin Hill. And a Jonathan Taylor hype. Alright, so definitely not the best hanger right there. I'll sleep with that Julio Jones one time though. We'll switch it up. We'll go back and forth. I'll go into a blaster right now. Alright, let's see if we get a banger to come out here one time. So we should have 6 packs total. Let me count it out one time. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. We got a Jared Cook, Robert Woods. Got our rookie right here, Keenan Wangu. And for the Steelers, we got a Devin Bush orange disco. All right, let's see if we get something on the board. We got our silver in here. We got Dalvin Cook, OBJ, Vet Silver, Jordan Brooks, and we got a Jalen Waddle emerging going out to the Dolphins. I'll get that Waddle sleeved up. I know a lot of people are hyped up on the Dolphins. Got Tua. And what's his name? They got Waddle. What's the guy from Kansas City? Tyreek Hill. Couldn't even think of his name. But yeah, I think Tua should have a nice season. We'll see if he can get the ball to Tyreek Hill deep though. We got a Joe Theismann. Damn, that card already came messed up out the pack. We got a Derek Brown. Kurt Warner. And we got an orange disco. Joe Montana, the OG right there. The cheetah, there we go. Yeah, I can't wait for football season. We got Andy Dalton, DeForest Buckner, Patrick Surtain, All right, here we go. We got an orange disco rookie. Give me a banger for the Los Angeles Rams. Ben Skarnick. Who we got here? We got Terry McLaurin, Emmett Smith, Jacoby Myers, and we got an orange disco rookie, Shane Buechele. Going out to Kansas City. All right, so we're not getting too much love out of Prism so far. We got a Jamie Collins base, Vernon Hargreaves, Quinn Miners for Denver. And for the Vikings, we got a Brock Lesnar. There we go. It's actually not so bad. Nice one for the Vikings right there. I'll get that sleeved up one time. All right, so let's jump into another blaster. All right, so it should be 6 packs total. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we got a man in one of these packs right here. It felt a little thick. We got a Josh Jacobs, Saquon Barkley, Carson Wentz, and we got an orange disco rookie for the Atlanta Falcons. There he is. We got a Kyle Pitts, orange disco. Nice one for ATL. We'll take that. We get that bad boy sleeved up. Finally got something on the board. All right, let's keep them coming. That might be the momentum we need right there. We got a Billy Sims, Ernest Jones, a Najee Harris, man. Going out to the Steelers, Silver Premier. Nice one for Pittsburgh. We'll get that sleeved up. And we got an orange disco, DeMarcus Lawrence. Nate's in the building. What's up, Nate? All right, let's keep it going. We got a Rashawn Gary, AJ Green, Rashawn Slater, and for Miami, Hunter Long orange disco. Miami has so many trolls this year. Not much, Nate. Just running these breaks, bro. We got a Logan Thomas, Juju Smith-Schuster. We got a silver, Jalen Darden going out to the Bucks. Nice one for the Buccaneers. And we got a J.K. Dobbins height, B more. Let me see about that Jalen Darden. I heard a few people hyped up on him, saying he's a sleeper. We got an Andre Reed, Buffalo, Cooper Kupp, Pat Freiermuth, another one for the Steelers, and a Rick Gannon, the OG right there for the Raiders. All right, we got Dante Hall, Latavius Murray, Kevin Beard, and a Josh Allen, the wrong Josh Allen right there, going out to the Jags. All right, let's do our last hanger one time. All right, so we got Nick Chubb, Luke Kuechly, Chase Claypool, Deuce McAllister, Blake Martinez, Robert Woods, DeForest Buckner, Kurt Warner, Vernon Hargreaves, DeAndre Swift, Justin Simmons, Anthony Miller, Tommy Tremble. We got a green, Jeffrey Simmons. We got a silver, Nico Collins silver. That is the variation going out to the Texans. I was hoping for Davis Mills right there, but we'll take it. We got a red cracked ice, Darius Leonard, Jordan Poyer, Eric Ebron. For the Bengals, here we go, Bengals. Give me a banger right here. There he is. We got a red cracked ice. Jamar Chase. Let's get it. Centering actually looks pretty damn good on this one, too. Nice hit for the Bengals right there. And behind it, we got a Zach Wilson, new recruit. There we go. Definitely a better hanger right here. Let me sleeve some of these up. Oh yeah, that Jamar Chase has a really good chance of jamming for sure. Sick hit for the Bengals. And let me just sleeve up a few more. Bar on the Chase. Uh-oh. Daniel's with it. Someone can make a play right now. And let me get that Zach Wilson sleeves up. All right, let's do a Fanatic Blaster. So these have the orange ice parallels. Let's see if we get a rookie QB to come out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. All right, so we got Denzel Mims, Brian Sippy. That'd be pretty fire, actually, Pete. We got a Trey McKitty. And for the Vikings, we got a Dalvin Cook orange ice. Center is pretty bad on that one right there. Bobby, what's up, Bobby? Just a heads up, I'm gonna run the Facebook break after this, fam. We got Marvin Jones Jr., Adrian Amos, Matt Ryan. Let's get a rookie orange ice. There we go. We got a rookie. Kansas City, Cornell Powell orange ice. I'll get that sleeved up. All right, come on. We got to heat up a little bit. Let's get it. All right, we got our silver in here. Anthony Ferkser. Judy, my guy. We got a silver vet. Tua silver. Nice one for the Dolphins right there. Second year Tua. And we got a Michael Thomas Brilliance. I'll get that Tua sleeves up. All right, so we got Cam Akers, Joe B, Najee Harris base, and we got another orange ice, Brian Dawkins orange ice, going out to Philly. right, 2 more packs, and then we'll jump into our last regular blaster. Then I'll go back into Fanatics. Then I'll do our 2 megas, and then we'll close it out with Optic Contenders. We got a Raheem Mostert, Adam Thielen, Ronald Jones. For the Jaguars, not a rookie, Marvin Jones, Orange Ice. All right, so we got a Kyle Zesk, Young Ho Koo, Elijah Mitchell, a rookie for the 49ers. All right, we got an Orange Ice rookie for the Miami Dolphins. Jared Dokes with the troll again. All right, our blasters have not been showing us too much love. Come on. All right, this is our last disco blaster. All right, so let me count it out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. All right, so we got a Brock Lesnar. Oops. TJ, Who's Your Mama? Leonard Floyd. And we got a Robert Woods Orange Disco. All right, so we got TJ Hawkinson, Michael Gallup, Fred Warner for the 49ers, and we got one for the Bucks. It's a rookie, Jalen Darden again. Okay, getting some nice Jalen Darden out here for the Bucks. All right, a few more packs. Patrick Mahomes, Derrick Henry, Trey Sermon, and we got an Orange Disco, Landon Collins. Come on, we gotta hit one of our top rookie QBs. We got Bradley Chubb, Tony Baselli, Jalen Camp, wrong Jaguar right there. And we got a Calvin Ridley Orange Disco going out to ATL. Antonio Gibson, Kyler, Ramondre Stevenson, Ron Patriot right there. Come on. And we got an Orange Disco rookie, Shah Surratt. All right, we got our silver in here. We got Allen Robinson, Devin White. Got a Vet Silver, Josh Allen, and a Saquon Barkley Brilliance. All right, here goes our last Fanatic Blaster. So we should have 6 packs total. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. All right, so we got an Orange Ice in the back. We got Tyler Lockett, Drew Brees, Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah going out to the Browns. And for the Denver Broncos, Bradley Chubb Orange Ice. Tristan, what's happening, Tristan? All right, so we got Peyton Manning Antonio Brown. Tutu Atwell. And the orange ice. Marcus Peters. Nothing good for the Eagles right now, Christian. All right, so we got Damian Harris, Michael Brockers, Plaxico Burress. Okay, we got a rookie. For the Jaguars, orange ice. Oh, Jalen Camp with the troll. Ouch. Damn, that is dirty right there. All right, we got our silver in here. We got Jamison Crowder, Jake Plummer, Landon Collins silver, and a J.K. Dobbins height. Aaron Donald, Rodgers, Mark Andrews, and we got an orange ice. James Conner. And his blasters have been rough on us. Alright, we got our last orange ice. Make it a good one. Guerito, what's up, brother? We got LaVisca, Derek Barnett, Frank Darby. For the Patriots, uh-oh, it's a rookie. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, Ramondre Stevenson, orange ice. Mac Jones would have been nice right there. We'll get that sleeved up, though. Yeah, hopefully we could get at least one auto to come out. But all right, guys, let's jump into our megas. These are the Target versions, so you do have a chance for an auto. And you get the pink parallels. All right, let's get it. We haven't hit none of our top rookie QBs yet. So let's count it out. Should be 10 packs total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. All right, so we got Kareem Hunt, Big Ben, Steelers, Felipe Franks, and we got a rookie here. Who we got for the Saints? Pete Warner, pink. We got Julio Jones, Bo Jackson, Hunter Long, and a fireworks, Dalvin Cook. TJ Watt, DJ Moore, Amon-Ra St. Brown base going out to Detroit. And for Kansas City, Travis Kelce pink. That's kind of cool. I was hoping for Mahomes right there. I'll sleeve that up actually, along with the Amon-Ra St. Brown. All right, so we got Drew Brees, Anthony Miller. For the Jets, there he is. Finally got a rookie QB to come out. We got a Zach Wilson base. Taysom Hill pink. There you go, Sam. Got your little Zach Wilson. Got to throw some color behind that though. What's up, Ryan? All right, we got our mem in here. We got a Montez Sweat, Aziz Ujari, Dwayne Eskridge, rookie gear, pink, going out to the Seahawks. And right behind it, we got a silver Anthony Barr. You get that Dwayne Eskridge sleeves up. Yo, what's good, Nick? All right, we got a silver in the back. We got plaques, James Conner, Dio O. Oh, here we go. Silver rookie for the Detroit Lions, Levi O. Got a pink in the back, Mark Andrews, Khalil Mack, Carlos Boogie Basham. Okay, pink for the Texans, Davis Mills. Let's go. Nice one for the Texans right there. We will take that. There you go, Texans. Let me sleeve that up one time. All right, 2 more packs total. See if we get an auto to come out. We got Antoine Winfield Jr., Jalen Rigor, Daz Newsome for the Bears, and a silver vet, Fred Warner. Oh, we got 2 more packs in here, actually. I have one hiding. Antonio Brown, Derek Barnett. We got a Odafe Uwe and a Prism Break Tua going out to Miami. Hey, let's go, Ronald. You got the Bengals. That's what's up, man. That was a nice hit right there. Hoping we got a fire box of optic contenders. I've gotten some big ones for sure. Gotta keep the streak going. All right, got another pink in here. We got Dak Prescott, Jordan Atkins, Simi Fioco. And for the Rams, we got an Eric Dickerson pink. All right, final box of Prism. Let's leave Prism with a good note, or a high note, I should say. See if we get an auto to come out here at least. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Michael Brockers, Cameron Hayward, Rashawn Slater, David Johnson pink going out to the Texans. Bucks banger coming. Okay, Ryan. I wouldn't mind a sick Tom Brady coming out of optic contenders. We got an Aaron Donald, Nick Chubb, Pat Freiermuth again for the Steelers, and then we got a silver, Amon Green. Hey. eBay. We got a red and black checkerboard. Let's get it, let's get it. These are definitely a super short print. All right, so we got Ryan Tannehill, Javonte Williams. So it's a vet. It's a vet in the game. For the Houston Texans, David Johnson, red and black checkerboard. And we got a fireworks, Jalen Waddle fireworks. All right, decent little pack right there. Let me sleeve some of these up. Just hoping for a rookie checkerboard. There you go, Texans with another hit. I remember when David Johnson was the problem. That was not that long ago. Let me just get one more card sleeved up. All right, we got Jake Plummer, Luke Kuechly, Noah Gray, and for the Vikings, we got a pink Randy Moss. That's actually pretty cool for the Vikings right there. All right, come on, let's heat up. We got to spark this up a little bit. All right, so we got Aaron Rodgers, Chase Claypool, Larry Roundtree, Chargers, Dallas, Jabril Cox, pink. All right, we're still looking for a mem or auto in this box. We got Nick Bosa, Deuce McAllister, Devontae Smith base. Finally got one for Philly. And for the Panthers, we got a Derek Brown pink. All right, so we got like 4 more packs, y'all. We got Tyrann Mathieu, Blake Martinez, Nick Bolton, and a silver Derek Brown again. Ouch, come on. Oh, this one feels a little thick. Yeah, we got a mem in here. We got Mark Brunell, Kellen Mond for the Vikings. We got a rookie gear. Devontae Smith, another one for Philly. Pink rookie gear. Nice hit for the Eagles. We'll get that bad boy sleeved up. And we got one for the Rams. Silver Matthew Stafford. And let me get that Devontae sleeved up. Like that one right there. There we go. All right, so 2 more packs, and then we're going to close it out with Optic Contenders. We got Steve Largent, Mike Evans, Keenan Nwangu, Vikings, and a Chuba Hubbard pink going out to the Panthers. Nice one for the Panthers right there. Let me sleeve that up. All right, final pack of Prism. Definitely a little rough on Prism today. Oh, I think we got an auto. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Let's see if we can make up for it. We got Tre'Davious White, Marquez Stevenson, oh, wrong Patriot. No way. A Christian Barmore pink. Going out to the Patriots. Wow. It said Alabama too. I was like, uh-oh. But then I saw it said tackles. There you go. Patriots. Man. And there we go. We got a little emergent Justin Fields. A short can, Daniel. I'm going to have to agree with you on that. It could also be really good, though. That's for sure. But definitely a tougher product to hit in. And I'll get the Justin Fields sleeves up. All right, y'all. We're going to go into optic contenders. Major boom or bust. Hopefully we got a banger or two in here. Good luck, everyone. But yeah, I pulled a lot of fire out of here so far this year. All right, best of luck, everyone. Love me some optic contenders. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, that's a good song. We're starting off with my guy, Jerry Jeudy. Season ticket. We got a Rondell Moore rookie ticket. And I'm just going to get right into it, y'all. We're starting off with a Felipe Franks. Felipe Franks rookie ticket. Going to the Falcons. Hey, for the Dolphins, we got a Jalen Waddle rookie ticket on card auto. Very nice hit for Miami. That is going to be the variation. Not numbered, unfortunately. There you go, Dolphins. Sick hit for Miami. Looks like the auto's a little smudged, unfortunately. And we got a Jalen Darden rookie ticket, red. That's going to be numbered 12 out of 175. And then our final card is for the Lions. X's and O's. Jared Goff, Jeff Okudah, blue. Cool little color match, number 36 out of 99. All right. The Jalen Waddle was nice. The rest of the box was pretty mediocre, though. Let me get these sleeves up, and then we'll do a little recap. Congratulations to the Dolphins. Oops. And let me just sleeve these up, y'all. And then I will be running our Facebook break right after this. I'll just need a few minutes to set up. Facebook box break 1019 will be going down. Appreciate you guys for joining. It was definitely a little bit of a rough break overall. Did get a few nice hits though. And one more card. Alright, quick little recap. We got a Javonte Williams base. Tua Prism Break. Dwayne Eskridge pink rookie gear. Travis Kelce pink, Kansas City. Amon-Ra St. Brown Lions. Ramondre Stevenson orange ice. Jalen Darden orange disco Bucks. Najee base. We got a Tua silver second year. Cornell Powell orange ice. Zach Wilson new recruits. Nico Collins silver. And that is the variation. We got a Jalen Darden silver. Orange disco Brock Lesnar, emergent Jalen Waddle. Dolphins definitely had a nice little break. We got a Julio Jones red ice. Rondell Moore, rookie ticket. X's and O's, blue for the Lions. That's going to be number 36 out of 99. Jared Goff, Jeff Okuda. We got a Jalen Darden, red, rookie ticket. Number 12 out of 175. Justin Fields, emergent. Chuba Hubbard, pink. Matthew Stafford, silver. Devontae Smith, base. Randy Moss, pink. Fireworks, Jalen Waddle. And here goes some of our better hits. Yeah, definitely was not the best break, y'all. All right, so check it out. We got a silver Najee Premier patch. We got a Zach Wilson base, Jets. Red and black checkerboard, David Johnson. Kyle Pitts, orange disco. Devontae Smith, pink, rookie gear, mem. We got a Felipe Franks sticker auto right there. Not the QB auto we wanted for sure. We got trolled again right here, y'all. Christian Barmore, pink auto, going out to the Patriots. We got a Davis Mills, pink. A red cracked ice, Jamar Chase. And our hit of the break is this Jalen Waddle rookie ticket on-card auto. And it is the variation. Very nice hit for the Dolphins. I was actually talking about them. But there you go, y'all. Appreciate y'all for joining again, man. I got to sign off and get prepared for my next break. But make sure to give us a follow. You guys be safe. Enjoy the rest of your night.